Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Sanjay Sharma. I help small business owners, creators, and entrepreneurs protect what they built legally, financially, and psychologically. Today's topic is a silent threat that could cost you everything: your money, your name, your brand, your future. We are talking about scams, and more importantly, how to protect your US small business from the legally and intelligently. Because the scams today, they don't look like scams. They look like invoices, bank emails, legal letters. Sometimes they look like you. But here's the thing, you can fight back. You can protect your business, not just with fear, but with legal armor, cybersecurity, discipline, and financial defense, you can say. And that's what we are covering today in full. Get your notes app ready because we are diving into 10 powerful strategies that combine law, finance, and common sense to protect your US business from scams. Let's get into it. Understand the different types of scam. Deep awareness, which results into first legal shield. Let's start with awareness. Because in business, ignorance is liability. Scammers today are sophisticated. They study your public info, clone your website, send fake invoices, impersonate clients, and also mimic platforms like of PayPal, Stripe, or the IRS. Examples of common scams are like of, you can say, phishing emails, where fake login pages are created to steal your access. Another one is business identity theft, in which using your EIN for credit fraud. Another one is invoice fraud, a fake bill that gets paid during a busy moment. And moving forward with our payment scam, fake clients send the big check, ask for a refund, then the check bounces. Another case is like of, you can say, fake legal notices or domain renewals, which are meant to scare or trick. What could be the action step? Here, as action step could be the like of, you can create a folder to document any suspicious emails or messages. Never respond emotionally. Adopt this mindset. Prove it to on paper or it didn't happen, like that. Let's move forward with another one. Get the right business insurance. Legal buffer zone. Here, insurance is equal to like of which results into your legal shield. You need three types of like that. First one is general liability insurance, which protects against injury, property lawsuits, and also not scam specific but helpful against bad faith lawsuits. You can say that. Another one here in this is cyber liability insurance, which covers breach cost, ransomware, phishing damages. It also helps with PR, legal fees, and data recovery. Another one in this is commercial crime insurance, which protects against internal and external fraud. It also covers fake invoices, check fraud, theft. Action step here could be meet with the licensed broker and ask, what doesn't discover? Scammers live in the gaps. Another one is register your business plus trademark your brand. Lock your legal identity. If you have not legally registered your business, you don't own it. Because scammers can set up fake website in your name, file a trademark before you can say. They can scam your clients by using your identity. So step one here would be like of form an LLC or a corporation, which protects your personal assets, deliver environment, offer stronger legal privacy. Step two would be trademark your brand with the uh, USPTO, which protects your nationally. It also allows fast trade downs of impersonators. It adds real asset value to your business. Think long term. Scammers think fast. Moving forward with like of another one, the fourth one, use ironclad legal contracts. Scam for your deals. Verbal deals results into legal danger zones. Written contracts results into protection. Your contracts should include clear payment terms, defined scope of work, termination clause, dispute resolution options, and also fraud clause with defined penalties. Action step here would be like of, you can say, have an attorney review templates annually. Scammers evolve. So should your paperwork, done carefully. Fifth one here, use secure payment systems. No loose ends, no leaks. Sloppy payment setups results into open door for scams. So what could be your checklist? Your checklist could be the use platforms like of Stripe, PayPal Business, or Square. Avoid checks from new clients. Enable 2FA on our accounts. Always verify, refund, and identity request. Lost funds are rarely recoverable, so make your payments process a legal barrier. Moving forward with sixth one, train your team to spot scam. People results into firewall. Primary one, you can say hash one. Tech helps, but human error is still hash one here. Train everyone, VAs, contractors, employees, to spot sudden bank account changes from vendors, suspicious urgent emails, domain mismatches in emails, payment requests from fake leadership accounts. So, here action step could be like of create a clear internal fraud protocol, make scam awareness part of onboarding and team culture. Let's move forward with seventh one. Organize your legal plus financial docs. Documentation results into weapon. Messy files results into scammer heaven. Order results into legal advantage. Structure your files as like of contacts, permits, tax records, insurance, formation documents, trademark certificates, like that. Use cloud tools like of Google Workspace or Notion. Keep secure offline backups too. When scammers strike, documentation helps you avoid lawsuit or win faster if needed. While moving forward with eighth one, monitor business credit and activity. Early warning results into damage control. Yes, businesses have credit reports too. Scammers can open accounts in your name, ruin your financial trust, and cause loan denials. So you should use like of Dun and Bradstreet credit monitoring, Experian and Equifax business alerts, QuickBooks or banks for automated reviews, set up bank frauds alerts and regular audits. Early detection results into low damage. Moving forward with next one, build a relationship with a legal pro, which could be your secret weapon. Prevention is cheaper than litigation. You don't need a full-time lawyer, just someone on call. A legal pro can review contracts before signing, draft cease and desist letters, report impersonation or fraud, help resolve dispute fast. Think of this like dental care. Clean now results into no root canals later. Moving forward with final one, use federal tools and reports scam fast. Law is on your side. Use it. Most small businesses don't know this, but you have powerful free federal tools on your side. Scammers thrive in silence, but the moment you report, you become a legal obstacle to them. Here are your top federal defenders. FTC. Report fraud at report for f.ftc.gov. Another one is SBOIG, report loan scams or impulsation. Another one here is like of, we can say, IRS, report tax scams at irs.gov/phishing. Here another one is like of, you can say, FBI IC3, report serious cyber crimes at ic3.gov. Here action step could be create a folder labeled as scam proof on your desktop. Store screenshots, suspicious messages, contracts, and receipts. If anything escalates, you have got a timeline ready for authorities. Remember, the law isn't just a hammer, it's your shield if you know how to use it. Let's recap this. You have now got 10 legal and financial studies to scam proof your US small business, like of awareness, insurance, legal registration, contracts, secure payments, team training, organized documentation, credit monitoring, legal support, federal tools. Like of, you can say, these one are the essential which you have got. These aren't just tips, they are shield, they are swords, they are legal armor. So don't just save this video, implement it. If this helped you, hit like. Want more on legal plus finance protection? Subscribe. Got a scam story or concern? Drop it in the comments. I read them all. This is your business, your reputation, your legacy. Let's protect it smartly, legally, and proactively. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.